Configurations of the GF63 Thin include up to an Intel Core i7-9750H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q graphics. I/O ports such as USB 3.2 Type-C and Type-A, HDMI, and AMP Plus audio jacks are provided for connectivity as well. The touchpad features multi-touch technology coupled alongside a SteelSeries red backlit keyboard and a thin bezel 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p IPS-Level display. With dimensions of 14 by 10 inches and less than 1 inch in height when closed, it will be seemingly effortless to take this 4-pound laptop on the go. This is the GF63 Thin laptop, convenient gaming power and a light design.